Welcome back to the next Appraisal Tool modules. This module is part of our introduction to critical appraisal. Let's begin with an overview to answer why appraise the evidence. Public health and other health-related professionals have a professional responsibility to engage in a culture of inquiry and specifically engage in evidence-based practice. This requires we master skills to critically appraise the evidence. Public health professionals need to determine the contribution of evidence to decision-making. Becoming competent to critically appraise evidence is consistent with the professional standards and expectations set forth by the American Public Health Association's Code of Ethics and the CDC competencies that are critical for an effective workforce that contributes to organizational performance. Critical appraisal allows us to identify studies and evidence that's trustworthy or credible and should inform our practice, programs, campaigns, and other initiatives. This illustrates the link between the need for critical appraisal to identify studies using sound scientific methods that leads to public health and population health program excellence and ultimately better client and population outcomes. The more effective health professionals are at critically appraising evidence to identify sound science, the more likely we are to use strong evidence to inform decision-making. Appraisal is the vital step before summarizing a body of evidence for decision-making. These references are meant to capture the breadth of resources used for the development of the 25 appraisal question modules. We do not add another reference list at the end of each of the short modules. For time and user convenience, the references are all here. Only specific article examples will have citations listed in the brief modules. Congratulations! You completed Part 1 of the Introduction to Critical Appraisal.